Easy game day queso dip. We're going to start with 1 can of regular Rotel, leave the juices in. And here's half a block of room temperature cream cheese. And we're cooking all of this on low the entire time, okay? This is a little packet of Velveeta cheese I had in the pantry. And here's a little bit of Julio's Mexican seasoning blend. And while that's starting to think about melting, let's go ahead and cut up our avocado. And I'm using a butter knife so I don't cut myself or through the skin. And I'm going to add just a little squeeze of lemon juice, just to keep it from turning brown until the cheese is done. Oops, that's a lime. Sorry. Don't forget to keep stirring occasionally. And we're getting there. Now we're going to add 1 cup of this 4-cheese mix. Sargento is one of the only brands that I recommend using from a bag. If not, shred your own. This is actually shredded pepper jack cheese I shredded myself. It was left over in the fridge, so I'm using that up. And yes, that came out really yummy. A little bit more Julio's Mexican seasoning, give it a mix. And then here's a touch of cilantro, dried cilantro. We're going to add in some pickled jalapenos. And, stir that again. And then this is 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese. It was actually string cheese because that was what I had in the fridge. If needed, add a splash of milk, a little at a time. Now let's plate this because it's done. It's cheesy. It's yummy goodness. Yes. I'm going to top this off with a little bit more of that pepper jack cheese and cilantro. And here we go. Oh, I put some jalapenos on there. And then here's our sliced up avocado. There we go. Ready to go. Also, if you haven't seen my easy bean dip video yet, go watch that next. It's one of my favorites. Have a blessed night, everybody.